Interesting.
Here you go.
Thanks. I've been waiting on this. Oh, here goes. This could change everything.
I'll work on this. This is a lifetime's work. Wish me luck. So far, so good. Wow, look at this. Impressive, huh?
Okay, over to you.
This is the crucial part. The liquid is remaining stable. Let's give it a mix. Wait, something's happening. Is this normal? I think you should take this.
What? I don't want it.
No, I insist.
But…
Good luck.
Oh no!
Huh? Meg? She's gone.
Hey, down here! Look, I'm tiny!
Is this real?
You need to fix this!
Just act normal. Maybe the teacher won't notice. There's something about Meg. Never mind, I want you to draw this. You can start. This will be fun. I'll get my pencils.
Brian, no! Hey, be careful! That was too close.
I think I'm ready.
Hey, Brian! Can you hear me?
Wow, it's perfect. Where will I put my pencils? Ah, I know. I can use this. This'll keep them in one place.
Whoa, look at that! It's amazing! Can I see that?
Sure, why not?
Wait, stop! It's too big! I can't use that.
Oops, my bad. You've got a point. Wait a second. I know what to do. I'll need modeling clay. I'll make a circle with it. Then I'll stack more circles on top. Now I need to decorate it. I'll add 2 eyes. This is gonna be so cute. That should do it. Check it out. I'm pretty happy with this. It's the perfect size. This is for you, Meg.
Oh, it's adorable! I love it! Thank you! It's just what I wanted. I can put my pencil in it. Wow, I'm so happy!
Look, we're matching.
We could be twins!
I just got these awesome stickers. Huh? What the? Let's try that again.
This is tough to watch.
It needs to be stickier. I'll use glue. This should do the trick. But it's not going on me. I'll stick it to my notebook. Wow, it worked! But I want more.
I wish I had stickers.
It's a work of art.
Yoo-hoo! What about me?
What? What do you mean?
I want to see it.
No problem.
Hold still. I'll jump on. Okay, let's go. Keep it steady.
What do you think?
Wow, it's magnificent.
I knew you'd like it. I'll put you back down.
Phew, I was getting travel sick. I'm glad to be back on the desk. Thanks, Brian.
Anytime, Meg. It does look good.
I've got a sticker too. Take a look. I'll decorate my notebook. Aw, are you kidding me?
Is something wrong?
Can you help me? Pretty please?
Ah, you want my glue?
Whoa, not so fast!
Oops, sorry.
I've got an idea!
Oh, you want a drink?
Seriously, no! I want the straw!
Oh, gotcha. Don't move.
No! Don't do it!
I'm so confused. Wait, I know what you mean. Leave it to me. I'll cut a section off. Then I'll add a base to it. Now I need my glue stick. I'll push the straw into it. Then I'll stick a cap on top. Finally, I'll add a label. That's it. I'm done. Ahem. This is for you.
Wow! Hand it over! It's wonderful! I can't wait to use it! You're the best, Brian! I'll rub it onto my notebook. It's ready for my sticker. On it goes! What do you think? It's all thanks to your mini glue stick.
I'll drink to that.
I'm almost ready. Time to get creative! Hey, Brian! I need paint.
What's that noise? I'm kinda busy, Meg.
Ugh, I need to turn up the volume.
Brian, listen to me!
La la la, can't hear you.
I know you can hear me!
So it's like that, huh?
I'm glad that's over. I've got work to do.
I'm not giving up. No one ignores me.
Ouch! What was that? Fine! You want paint? Happy now? Just take it.
No! That's huge!
What's the problem?
It needs to be smaller. I've got teeny hands.
Ah, you're right. I can fix this. I'll need a small paint tray. I'll squeeze paint into it. It's gotta be colorful. Then I'll need a paintbrush. That's everything. Meg can be an artist now. She'll be so excited. Look what I've got. Happy painting!
I'm going to create a masterpiece. The creativity is flowing.
And I can get back to studying. No more distractions, okay?
I have a good feeling about this.
Let's play the lottery.
I'm so nervous.
Here's the winning number.
Wait! I won! I don't believe it! This is my lucky day! I'm going on a shopping spree. But what should I buy? Oh. Oh, hi, sweetie.
I want a scooter!
Okay. Here you go.
Whoa! I don't believe it! This is amazing!
You're worth it, sweetie.
I want a unicorn!
But, oh, okay. You deserve nice things.
You mean it? Wow, thanks! My very own unicorn!
At least I still have some money. I can still buy something. I thought that would happen, but this is the last thing.
Whoa, a castle! It's wonderful!
Aw, all my money's gone. But at least Meg is happy.
This is the best day ever!
Money isn't everything, and I've still got a good book.
Whoa! Did you see that? What a game!
This is boring. Dad, I want to have fun!
Wow, what a player!
There's only one thing for it. I need to turn on the waterworks.
Do you hear something? It's probably nothing.
Seriously?
Wait, Meg! I better do something. It's okay, sweetie. I know what'll cheer you up. How about a game? It's magical. Have fun.
Wow, this is for me? This is exciting. I need to match the animals. That's a good start. Ooh, a duck. This might be tricky. Found it. What's next? It's not in here. This is a mystery. I need to find it. Come on. Where are you? There's no sign of it. Ugh, so annoying. I won't give up. Maybe it's under the table. Nope, it's not under here. Ah, I know. Maybe it's under the plant. Ooh, over there. Of course. It'll be in Dad's shoes. Nope. What about the other one? The only thing in here is a bad smell. Yikes, that's nasty.
Meg, I'm watching the match. Come on, shoot! Seriously, Meg? Go, go! Meg, sit down! Ah! Whoa, stop right there. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find the missing piece. It's not in the box.
Huh, that's a problem.
Did you find it? Oh, the game is ruined.
No, it's not. Leave it to me. I'll need some modeling clay. I'll mold it into a square shape. I'll add a squishy inside. That can go in. Then I'll put more clay on top. Ooh, that feels good. Now I need to paint it. I'll cover it in purple. Now I'll switch colors. I'll paint a face on it. That's it, finished. I'll give it a press. Wow, it's perfect. Meg, this is for you.
Whoa, so cool! I can't believe it. It's just like the squishy.
Now I can watch the match. Phew.
This teddy is my best friend. It's so soft and cuddly. Huh? My stomach. It's rumbling. I'm hungry. Dad, I need food. Got any snacks?
Let me think. I have just the thing. How about pickles? They're nice and crunchy.
I'll give it a go. Whoa, they stink. I'm not eating those.
Not a pickle fan, huh? Leave it to me. This is a job for Chef Dad. I'll cook something delicious. Leave it to me.
Ow, my eyes.
Watch this. This needs to be precise. I can't make any mistakes. Ah!
I can't look.
That looks about right. You can have my sandwich.
Wow, thanks, Dad. It looks tasty. It's good.
I knew you'd like it. What are you looking at?
I want a puppy. Please. Go on, Dad. It'll make me so happy.
It's how much? Sorry, honey, I don't have any money.
So, no puppy? But...
Please don't cry. It'll be okay. Wait, I've got it. I can use the foil. Trust me, sweetie.
Huh? What do you mean?
Watch this. I'll scrunch up a sheet of foil. I'll shape it into a ball. Then I'll add glue. I'll stick more foil to it. I'll add piece here. It's starting to take shape. Now I can decorate it. I'll use artificial flowers. This'll give it some color. Then I'll finish with a bow. I hope this works. Look what I've got. It's a puppy.
Wow, really? It's so cute. Thanks, Dad. It's perfect.
Oh, I'm so happy. I better finish cooking.
That video was packed full of creative crafts. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.